Hello students, I hope you're learning fine out there, isn't it? So today we'll start a new chapter, solving linear simultaneous equation by the method of elimination, from class 9 book of West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, chapter 5.3, page number 69. Okay, so let's begin. This is question number 1 of exercise 5.3. So we are provided with two equations and two variables, isn't it? So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. We have two variables x and y in equation 1 and two variables x and y in equation 2. Okay, so to solve simultaneous equation by the method of elimination, we need to eliminate either x or y. Okay, out of these two variables x and y, we need to eliminate one of this variable. Okay, now if I wish to eliminate y, that's my choice. Okay, you can wish to eliminate x as well. If I wish to eliminate y from these two equations, what I do is, first thing is, I need to make the coefficient of y in both the equations equal. Are you getting me? I need to make the coefficients of y in both the equations equal. Okay, so how do I do that? Here you can see in equation 2, the coefficient of y is 3, isn't it? So I multiply equation 1 with 3. In equation 1, you can see the coefficient of y is 2. So I multiply equation 2 with 2. Now, when we multiply equation 1 with 3, I need to multiply both sides of this equation. Okay, not only coefficient of y, both sides of this equation throughout the equation. Similarly, when I multiply with 2, I need to multiply throughout the equation. Okay, so let us multiply 3 into 3, 9x, isn't it? Plus 3 into 2, 6y, equals to 3 6 18. This is equation 1. And 2 into 2, 4x. Here we have minus sign. 2 into 3, 6y, equals to 2 17s are 34, isn't it? 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, plus 1 3, 34. This is equation 2. Now, since you can see the coefficient of y are 6 and 6, coefficient of y are equal, isn't it? Now, since the signs are opposite, this 6y has negative sign and this 6y has positive sign. So you can simply add up this equation 1 and 2, adding. Okay, if the signs were same, then we need to subtract. Are you getting me? If the signs were same, then we need to subtract. Here you can see the signs are opposite, so simply adding. Okay, now 9x is positive, 4x is positive, plus 9x plus 4x gives us 13x. Same sign means we add up, isn't it? 9x plus 4x is 13x. Here 6y is positive and this 6y is negative. Plus 6y minus 6y. Plus 6y minus 6y becomes 0, isn't it? We cancel out this. Equals to 18 is plus and 34 is also plus. Both are positive. So we add up these two numbers. 8 plus 4 is 12, 2, 1 in hand. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So 18 plus 34 gives us 52. Or x equals to, we have 52 in the right hand side. Now let us take this 13 to the right hand side by cross multiplication. So this 13 goes to the denominator of right hand side. Okay, 13 1s are 13, 13 4s are 52, isn't it? 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, plus 1 is 5. So we found x equals to 4. Now we have the value of x. We can find the value of y by putting the value of x in equation 1 or equation 2. Now let us put the value of x in equation 1. You can choose to put the value of x in equation 2 as well. Okay, putting the value of x in equation 1. So equation 1 is 3x plus 2y equals to 6, isn't it? 3x plus 2y equal to 6. This is equation 1. So we put the value of x is 4. Or 3 into, instead of x, I write 4. Okay, instead of x, I write 4. Because x equals to 4, isn't it? Plus 2y equal to 6. Or 3 4s are 12 plus 2y equal to 6. Or 2y equal to 6 we already have in the right hand side, plus 6. Now we take this plus 12 to the right hand side, plus 12 when we take to the right hand side becomes minus 12. Or y equals to, this 12 is negative, 6 is positive, minus 12 and plus 6, isn't it? So we need to subtract these two numbers. 12 minus 6 is 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now the greater number is 12, it has minus sign, so we need to put minus here. This 2, the coefficient of y here, will go to the denominator of right hand side by cross multiplication, isn't it? So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Therefore, we have x equals to 4, and y equals to minus 3. Minus 3. We should not forget this minus sign, okay? Minus 3. So we were asked to find the value of x and y from these two equations. So the value of x is 4 and the value of y is minus 3, okay? Now let us do question number 2. Let's do question number 2. We have 2x plus 3y equals to 32. This is equation 1, okay? And 11y minus 9x equals to 3. This is equation 2, isn't it? Now what we do is, we write this x first and this y later, okay? So 9x has minus sign. We should not forget the sign of 9x. We write minus 9x plus 11y, isn't it? So plus 11y. This 11y has plus sign. No sign means plus, isn't it? So equals to 3 in the right hand side. So this is equation 2. Now what we do is, we need to eliminate either x or y, okay? That's our choice, whichever variable we want to eliminate, okay? Now we have 9 here. If I wish to eliminate x, okay, we have 9 here. The coefficient of x is 9 and the coefficient of x in equation 1 is 2. So we need to make equal, isn't it? So 9 we multiply here in equation 1. The coefficient of x is 2. We multiply again in equation 2, okay? Now 9 2s are 18x plus 9 3s are 27. Y equal to 9 32s are. So 9 2s are 18. 8 1 carried over. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. So this is 288, equation 1, isn't it? Similarly, we multiply equation 2 with 2, okay? 2 9s are 18x and we have minus sign here, plus 2 11s are 22. Y equal to 2 3s are 6, isn't it? This is equation 2. Now the coefficient of x are equal, 18 and 18, and the signs are opposite. So what we do, we simply add up. If the signs were same, then we would subtract, isn't it? Now we have different sign, so adding, okay? So this is 18x positive, 18x negative. So this becomes 0. Plus plus, same sign, isn't it? So we need to add up these two numbers. 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. 49y, isn't it? 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus plus plus. So we don't write sign, plus, okay? Now 288 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4, 1 in hand. 8 plus 1 is 9. This 2 we bring down as it is. Or y equals to 294 divided by 49, isn't it? 294 divided by 49. So can we cancel this with 7? Yes, 7 7s are 49. 7 4s are 28. 29 1 in hand. 14 7 2s are 14. Okay. Now 7 1s are 7. 7 6 are 42. Or we got y equal to 6, isn't it? Now putting the value of y either in equation 1 or equation 2, we can find the value of x. So let me put the value of y in equation 1, okay? Putting the value of y in equation 1. 2x plus 3y equal to 32. 2x plus 3y equal to 32. This is equation 1, isn't it? So let me put the value of y. Y is 6. So instead of y, I write 6, okay? Or 2x plus 3, instead of y, I need to write 6, isn't it? Because y is 6. So 3y means 3 into 6 equal to 32. Or 2x plus 3 6 is 18 equal to 32. Or 2x equal to 32 is in the right hand side. Now let me take this plus 18 to the right hand side, becomes minus 18, or x equals to 32 minus 18, because 32 is positive, 18 is negative, isn't it? So 12 minus 8 is 4. This becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Or we have 2x, isn't it? So this 2 goes to the denominator. 2 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14. Therefore x equals to 7. X equals to 7. 2 7 is 14. X equals to 7. And y equals to 6. And y equal to 6. So we were asked to find the values of x and y. The x is 7 and y is 6. Okay, I hope you got this. Let us do next question. Question number 3. We have x plus y equals to 48. This is equation 1. Okay, now this is equation 2. X plus 4 equals to 5 by 2 whole y plus 4, isn't it? So what we do is we make this equation simple. Okay, we simplify this equation 2 first. So this 2 we cross multiply to the left hand side. 2 into x is 2x plus 2 4s are 8 equals to 5. We multiply the numbers within the bracket. Okay, 5 into y is 5y plus 5 4s are 20, isn't it? Now we bring this y to the left hand side and take this 8 to the right hand side. 2x plus 5y we bring to the left hand side, minus 5y equals to 20 is in the right hand side. So we take this plus 8 to the right hand side, minus 8. Okay, 2x minus 5y equals to 20 minus 8 is 12, isn't it? So this is equation 2. Now we have 2x minus 5y equals to 12, equation 2. X plus y equals to 48, equation 1. So we need to eliminate either x or y. Okay, so let us eliminate y, because they have different signs, isn't it? So we don't need to change sign. So we have the coefficient of y as 5 in equation 2 and the coefficient of y is 1 in equation 1, isn't it? So what we do is, with this 5 we multiply equation 1, and here we have 1, so multiply equation 2. Now 5 into x is 5x, okay, plus 5 into y is 5y equal to 5 into 48, isn't it? So 5 8s are 40, 0, 4 in hand, 5 4s are 20, plus 4 is 24. This is equation 1. And 1 into 2x is 2x minus 1 into 5y is 5y equal to 1 into 12 is 12. This is equation 2. Now 5y, coefficient of y are equal, okay, and they have opposite signs, isn't it? So simply adding. What we do is adding. If the signs are opposite, we just add up. If the signs are same, we subtract and change the sign. Okay, now we have plus 5y and minus 5y, so this becomes 0. Plus 5y minus 5y cancels out, isn't it? Plus 5x plus 2x, same sign, so we add them. 7x. 240 plus 12 is also plus, so we add them. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 1 is 5, and this 2 we bring down as it is. Okay, or x equals to 252 upon 7, isn't it? So 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 is 25, isn't it? So we have 25 here, 4, so this becomes 42, 7 6 are 42, isn't it? So x equals to 36. We found the value of x. Now putting the value of x in equation 1 or equation 2, we can find the value of y, isn't it? So putting the value of x in equation 1. So equation 1 is x plus y equals to 48, x plus y equal to 48. Excuse me, sorry. X plus y equals to 48, this is equation 1. So x equals to 36, isn't it? So instead of x, what I do is, x means 36. X is 36. We found the value of x as 36. So putting the value of x, 36, plus y equal to 48. Okay, or y we keep in the left hand side. So 48 we take this plus 36 to the right hand side, becomes minus 36, or y equal to 8 minus 6 2, isn't it? 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, therefore x equals to 36 and y equal to 12. So this is the answer for question number 3. Okay, the value of x is 36 and the value of y is 12. Let us do the next question. Question number 4. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We have x and y, isn't it, as variables, so we are asked to find the value of x and y. So this type of questions, when variable is in the numerator and numbers are in the denominator, 2 and 3, these are the constant numbers, these are in denominator, and variables x and y are in the numerator, isn't it? X and y are in the numerator. So what we do is we take the LCM of the denominators. Okay, but instead of this, if the numbers was like this, 2 upon x plus 3 upon y, we will do this type of questions later on, but let me tell you right now, if the variables are in the denominator and numbers are in the numerator, we should not take the LCM. Okay, if the variables are in the numerator and numbers are in the denominator, we can take LCM, but if the variables are in the denominator and numbers in the numerator, we should not take the LCM. Okay, so please keep that in mind. Now let us solve this question. So we have this is equation 1, isn't it? So let's simplify equation 1. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, isn't it? 2 3s are 6. LCM is 6. So 2 into 3 gives us 6. 2 3s are 6. That 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 2 gives us 6. 3 2s are 6. That 2 into y is 2y equal to 8. Or 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y equal to 6 8s are 48. So this is equation 1. Okay, 3x plus 2y equals to 48. This is equation 1. Equation 2 also, we assume 1 in the denominator. Okay, because every number has 1 in the denominator, isn't it? So we take the LCM of 4 and 1. The LCM is 4. 4 1s are 4, isn't it? So 4 into 1 gives us this 4. So 1 into 5x, 5x, minus 1 into 4 gives us 4. So 4 into 3y, 12y equal to minus 3. Now we have 5x minus 12y equal to 4 3s are 12, minus 12, isn't it? This is equation 2. So we have 3x plus 2y equals to 48, equation 1, and 5x minus 12y equals to minus 12, equation 2. So we can eliminate either x or y according to our choice. Okay, so let us eliminate y. So the coefficient of y is 12 here and the coefficient of y is 2 here, isn't it? So if we multiply equation 1 with 6, 6 2s are 12. The coefficient of y is 12 here, so we don't need to multiply. So coefficient of y 12 in equation 2 and the coefficient of y will also be 12 in equation 1 because 6 2s are 12. So if we multiply with 1, 1 12s are 12, isn't it? Now let us write equation 1 again by multiplying with 6. 6 3s are 18x. Okay, 6 3s are 18x plus 6 2s are 12y plus 12y equal to 6 into 48, isn't it? 6 into 48. 6 8s are 48. 6 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Sorry, 6 8s are 48. 8 4 in hand. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. Okay, so this is equation 1. Now equation 2, we don't need to multiply with any number. You can multiply with 1. That doesn't change anything, isn't it? So 5x minus 12y equals to minus 12. 5x minus 12y, 5x minus 12y equals to minus 12, equals to minus 12. This is equation 2. We have minus sign here. Okay, 5x minus 12y equals to minus 12. Now what we do is we just add up this equation 1 and 2, isn't it? Because 12y, both of them has opposite sign. So adding equation 1 and 2, So this plus 12y minus 12y cancels out. 18x plus 5x, both are positive. 18 plus 5 is 23. 23x, isn't it? 23x equals to 288 is positive, 12 is negative, so we need to subtract this. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 1 is 7. This 2 we write here. Okay, the sign of greater number comes here plus. X equals to 276 upon 23, isn't it? So 23 into 27, 276. So 23 1s are 23, 23 1s are 23. Plus 4, isn't it? 23 1s are 23, 23 plus 4 gives us 27. That 4 and 6 becomes 46. So 23 2s are 46. So we got x equals to 12. Putting the value of x in equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is 3x plus 2y equals to 48. Isn't it? Putting the value of x in equation 1. So what is equation 1? 3x plus 2y equals to 48. 3x plus 2y equal to 48. This is equation 1. Or 3x, x means 12, plus 2y equal to 48. Or 3 12s are 36. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 36. Plus 2y equal to 48. Or 2y equal to 48. We take this plus 36 to the right hand side, becomes minus 36. Or y equal to 48. 48 minus 36. 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. So this 2 we take to the denominator by cross multiplication. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So we found the value of y is 6 and the value of x is 12. Okay, let me write the answer here. Therefore x equal to 12 and y equal to 6. So this is the answer for question number 4. Let us do the next question. Equation 1, 3x minus 2 upon y equals to 5 and x plus 4 upon y equals to 4. This is equation 2. Okay, so we have variable term. Variable means the number whose value is unknown to us. Okay, the variable term y is in the denominator, isn't it? So what we do is we don't take LCM, we just make the numbers in the numerators equal. Okay, and cancel y. So we have 4 in the numerator of y in equation 2. So we have 2 in numerator of y in equation 1. So what we do is we multiply with 2. So this becomes 2 to the 4. 4 upon y. This is already 4 upon y, isn't it? So numbers in the numerators are equal now, isn't it? Now let us multiply. 2 into 3, 6x minus 2 into 2, 4 upon y equals to 2 5s are 10. So this is equation 1. Now we don't need to multiply this. So x plus 4 upon y equal to 4. This is equation 2. Now we have 4 upon y, 4 upon y. Both of them have same number in the numerator and their signs are opposite, minus and plus. So simply adding, okay? Adding 1 into minus 4 upon y plus 4 upon y becomes 0. So 6x plus x is 7x, okay, equal to 10 plus 4 is 14. Or x equals to 14. 14, this 7 goes to the denominator. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Or x equals to 2, isn't it? Now putting the value of x in equation 1 or 2, we can find the value of y. Putting the value of x in equation 1. Okay, what is equation 1? 3x minus 2 upon y. 3x minus 2 upon y equal to 5, isn't it? Or 3x is 2. X is 2 minus 2 upon y equal to 5, or 3 2 is a 6 minus 2 upon y equal to 5, or minus 2 upon y equal to plus 5. Let us take this plus 6 to the right hand side, becomes minus 6, or minus 2 upon y equal to plus 5 minus 6 is minus 1, isn't it? Plus 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So minus minus cancels out. So y into 1, we cross multiply this, okay? Y into 1 is y equal to 2. Therefore, y into 1 is y equal to 2. So y equal to 2, okay? Therefore, x equals to 2, and y equals to 2. So we were asked to find the value of x and y. The value of x and y are 2 and 2. Okay, this was for today. Thank you so much. Stay connected and practice well, okay? I'll upload the rest of the questions in the next video. Thank you so much.